still alive.
I don't know. Your hair is pretty tight bound into the comb. It's tight bounded to the comb.
Di ano, kadalot ito isa, dako.
No, the hair is really tight bound. The hair is really tight.
Could be alive one more time. Not gonna live. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna get a spanking and it's gonna be no. I'm gonna die. Oh no.
Hopefully this just covers it. It doesn't turn bald.
Labad na ang ulo no.
Dili man na.
My hands are aching.
Ginapa may uban buhok mabilin. Natambunan namang gyapon.
You have no say in this.
Namang gyapon.
Ambot na?
No, really. Oh, God. Me cutting someone's hair is... I don't like this. I am doing this against my will, just so you know. Okay.
Ambos na?
There it is.
Nah, problema ani ron. Natin ko sa ti. Butay sa baby oil para mahumok. Maya lang ba? Tara sa baby oil sa punuan.
The roots. Even the roots are tied up. Feeling how oily it is, and the fact that there's hair stuck to my fingers now, and it's not even my hair.
Hinahanak kasakit.
Every woman's nightmare. I can tell some.
Talagang ulak na kami.
Even got hair with it.
Nagkan na nag-oil nito. Hinahinayag sudlay de. Kaya na nang ibot. Hinahinayag sudlay.
And a sudlay that is here, and about to become pangod. Looks like I am passed out. The hair is slow.